I was running with a guy from Sacramento through the Mojave Desert over to Texas.
Yeah.
He lost 24 calves.
Wow, really? Just because of the heat?
Yeah.
How many did you say are on here?
I got 383. 283 of these.
283.
Which you could have put a lot more on.
Do you have to like unload the cattle or anything and give them water or not?
They can stay on there for 60 hours.
So where are you taking these guys?
California.
California? Really? Where would you pick these guys up?
Just east of Kansas City.
That's about 2,000 miles.
Yeah, that's right.
They're on the truck the whole time, huh?
Yeah.
Before that old mad cow disease, I went from Quebec down to Mexico.
Quebec to Mexico?
And when you pick up in Canada and you take to Mexico, their hooves cannot touch U.S. soil.
And did any of them die on the way?
Yeah, I've got 2 dead ones now. There's one there. Huh. There's one right here. You just see right here.